It can be incredibly embarrassing to pee on oneself without controlling the urine that leaves the body. Urine incontinence is an issue that is not only faced by young children. Young and older adults also face this situation, which can be very unfortunate. But there's a quick solution to urinary incontinence, and we will share it with you in this video. What is urinary incontinence? Urinary incontinence is the inability to control urine and other liquid fluids from someone's private parts. Many factors, such as age, stress, and pregnancy, contribute to urinary incontinence. Urinary incontinence differs, as it can range from mild to extreme. The severity also depends heavily on your age. Urinary incontinence is easier for young people than older adults to manage and treat. Whichever the case, there are specific steps to improve and prevent this condition from happening again. Now you know the meaning of urinary incontinence. Here's how to treat it quickly. 5. Physical activeness. Being physically inactive is very bad for your health, as it increases your chances of getting many illnesses, including urinary incontinence. A significant sign of being physically inactive is having an unhealthy weight and illness, like urinary incontinence. However, engaging in physical activities like swimming, running, walking, and biking can improve incontinence. 4. Bladder training. One of the first steps for someone with urinary incontinence is to engage in bladder training. Bladder training involves 3 primary steps the patient must learn to cure urinary incontinence. First, they must learn how to delay urination when pressed. They can distract themselves and focus on other things for some minutes before urinating. The next thing is to learn how to control their urine. They can do this by urinating for a few seconds, stopping for a few seconds before resuming. Then finally, they should keep a timetable of when to go to the bathroom and keep to it. 3. Maintain a healthy weight. Right from the onset, research has shown that having an unhealthy weight increases the risk of contracting many infections and diseases. You are more likely to have urinary incontinence when you have an unhealthy weight. Studies have shown that you are more likely to have urine leaks if your body mass index, BMI, increases. To prevent this, ensure your weight is appropriate and within the required body mass index. 2. Stop smoking. Smoking is a bad habit that has made many people develop many illnesses due to the damage it causes to the body. One of the significant adverse impacts of smoking on the body is that this is one of the leading causes of bladder cancer. Quitting smoking is very important for your body as it helps reduce the amount of toxins in your body organs. Since smoking also damages many excretory organs, such as the kidney and liver, quitting the habit will help improve your urinary schedule. 1. Engage in pelvic exercises. Getting involved in pelvic exercises is very pivotal to improving your urinary incontinence, especially for women. One of the reasons they have urinary incontinence is because of the weak muscles that can't hold urine. Since strong pelvic muscles can hold urine, exercising around these areas improves their agility. Pelvic exercise mainly involves tightening and releasing the muscles around these areas repeatedly. Women aren't the only ones that benefit from this type of exercise. Men should also engage in it. As a man, you will greatly appreciate these pelvic exercises as it helps to reduce the number of urine leakages and the dribbling after urinating. That's the end of the video. Engaging in activities like this will significantly help prevent urinary incontinence, so learn and master those steps mentioned here. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button for more informative videos like this.